guys, it's Tony with Peaceful Living. I am putting together some insect repellent this evening. Over the last couple of weeks I've gotten a lot of questions regarding how to make bug repellent for using essential oils versus buying the chemically based product, as well as how to make insect repellent for ourselves, right? So tonight we have an Etsy shop, and I get a lot of orders for our insect. It's called Bug Off, but it's insect repellent. And tonight I have to make some restock of that Etsy shop. So I thought maybe I would go live and share my recipe for making that bug repellent. So it's very simple. So this will be a quick tutorial. Again, easy to follow and easy to make versus buying anything that has DEET in it. And we all have read about DEET and all the bad stuff associated with that particular chemical, and you know the rest of the chemicals that are in over-the-counter bug repellent or insect repellent. So tonight we are going to make, hold on a second, I'll get it for you. We're going to make Bugs Away, right? So these are the labels I make. I make them at home on my printer, and they're the labels I got from Online Labels. So easy to make for the Etsy shop. So easy peasy, guys. Get yourself a 4-ounce fine mist spray bottle. You can use one or repurpose one that you've had in the past, or this is a 4-ounce fine mist spray bottle, and here's the sprayer that goes on the top of them. But very complicated stuff going on here tonight, so keep an eye out. So take the bottle and fill half the bottle with witch hazel of your choice. I simply buy mine at the local grocery store. So this is a 4-ounce bottle, so you're using 2 ounces of witch hazel. And we're going to make a few bottles tonight. So, second bottle. I'm actually putting together a basket for my neighbor. We're recently moved into the area, and she's been very, very kind to us. So I'm making a basket for her that's got some oily stuff in it and some Etsy shop stuff in it. So again, this is simple. It is a 4-ounce. I think they're called Boston Round. I like these bottles because they don't take up a lot of space this way, but it's a 4-ounce bottle. Hi, Annabelle. Tonight we're making bug spray. So again, a 4-ounce bottle, fine mist sprayer. We fill half of that bottle, so 2 ounces of witch hazel and 2 ounces of distilled water. Now, quite frankly, you can use regular water in the bug spray. I do for my own personal use. I don't go out and buy the distilled water, but it's all about how long it's going to sit on the shelf, right? So they're from my Etsy shop, so I'm going to use distilled water. But if I was making it for myself at home, I would just use regular tap water, because we live in Florida, so when we go to our outdoor movie nights or in the backyard or on the boat, we're always using insect repellent. And I get a lot of good feedback on this recipe. So we have some pretty big bugs here in Florida. We have some killer mosquitoes here in Florida, as you know, no-see-ums and gnats. And this insect repellent works quite well. In fact, we took a tour last year of a ranch here where you kind of get into this modified bus, and they cut the top off the bus, and everybody climbs onto the bus, and they take you into this 10,000-acre ranch, working ranch. And my God, the bugs were atrocious. They wouldn't allow us to spray. They told us to spray our bug repellent, insect repellent on outside the bus because they didn't want everyone exposed to all the chemicals. Well, I was the only one that was allowed to spray it inside the bus because I don't use any chemicals. So, and it worked fantastic. But anyways, that's what we're doing tonight. We are making insect repellent. Again, 4-ounce bottle, half full with witch hazel, and the other half full with distilled water or plain tap water. Your choice. So simple, simple. Alright, so far so good. You keeping up with me? And then we are going to use Young Living's kit oils. All of these oils are in the Young Living kit. If you purchased a kit, you'll have all these oils. If you haven't purchased a kit and you're interested, please let me know. I'd be happy to hook you up and send you some links to take a look at some different kit offers that Young Living has. So we are going to put 5 drops of lavender in. Then we're going to put 3 drops of lemon in. This happens to be the Vitality. You don't have to use Vitality, obviously. That's the one that's open for me. So Young Living lemon, 3 drops. Five drops of purification. Out of, and 5 drops of Thieves. Love Thieves. Makes the house smell like Christmas. Oops, I've got 6 drops of Thieves. Okay. Again, if you'd like to, you can add. I've had people tell me that they add citronella to theirs. I'm not going to because it's not in my recipe, and the recipe that I just put out there works for me. But citronella is another. Obviously bug repellent, and you can add that to your insect repellent as well. So when I get off this live, I will share the recipe on this post, so you'll have the recipe that I just went over. But just to make it simple, bug off. 2 ounces of distilled water, 2 ounces of witch hazel, 4 ounce spray bottle, 5 drops of Young Living lavender, 3 drops of Young Living lemon, 5 drops of Young Living purification, 5 drops of Young Living Thieves, and 3 drops of peppermint, which I just realized I forgot. Let's put the peppermint in. Come on. Okay, and 3 drops of peppermint. Take our fine mist sprayer, put it on, shake it up. Here we go. My labels. So I make my own labels at home, as I mentioned, for peaceful living. I'll put it on the bottom. And voila. We have bugs away. Insect repellent without all the terrible chemicals. Another thing I'll just talk about real quickly is peppermint. So I had someone ask me the other day, they had ants, really hard to get rid of ants. So we live in Florida, and we have something down here called red ants. And what I do is I just take a 12-ounce spray bottle, put about 20 drops of peppermint into it, fill it with water, and I spray the perimeter of our deck. Because I feed the dogs outside so that, you know, we get these trails of ants that like to come toward our dog food. Now, it's not a chemical, so it doesn't have all the stuff that over-the-counter bug spray would have in it. So you do have to do it. I do it once a week. Never had to do it any more than that, and it keeps the ants away. They do not like peppermint, so keep in mind, peppermint, ants, they do not like peppermint, and mosquitoes do not like geranium. They don't like thieves either. That's why it's in my bug spray. So those are 2. And if you look in this post, I think a few days ago I posted in one of the responses where it lists the bug down the left-hand side and the oils that they don't like that you can use to make your own homemade bug spray, perimeter spray, flea spray. This particular bug off is, it's actually bugs away, sorry. it bugs away. This is a personal, it's something you would put on yourself or the kiddos. It's fine for the kiddos to go outside to keep the bugs off them. So anyways, I appreciate you coming out to watch. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions regarding the bug repellent, I'm happy to answer them. Just go ahead and private message me or comment on the post. Hope you have a great night, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye. Hi, Diane.